Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the Franklin method and how you can... Alright, so in this video I'm going to go over how you can use the Franklin balls to help you release and hydrate and mobilize your glutes and your pelvic floor. So these are some of my favorite physical therapy tools, and I would say over like 75% of my clients have one of these in their toolbox. Now these are great tools because they are soft balls and they are meant to hydrate your fascia. They are meant to be feel good type of massage balls, and they're very different from like lacrosse or tennis balls. So I highly recommend these, and I will link these below in the show notes. So if you are, so I guess, what is this technique good for? So who is this good for? So if you are pregnant and having a lot of like pelvic stiffness, feeling really tight back here, or really wanting to prepare for birth, this video is for you. If you are having a lot of sciatica pain, piriformis syndrome, pain down the leg, feeling like the tension's coming from your glutes back here, this video is for you. If you are often stuck in a posterior pelvic tilt, so if you stand a lot and you are tucking a lot and you're having a lot of tension back here, this video is also for you. So I'm really hoping that this video can be really helpful. So the idea with this video is that we're going to take this Franklin ball and we are just going to massage it along the glutes. We are going to do the upper glutes, mid, and lower glutes. And one area we very in particular want to get is this area right here. So we have our sacrum here, our ilium here, and in this space we have our deep hip rotators, or also known as our deep glutes. And these deep glutes tend to get very tight. So if you are in a like let's say you're working a lot and you tend to be in that posterior pelvic tilt, so tucking your tailbone in, that is going to shorten and tighten these glutes back here. So this is a really great tool. So what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you take one of these Franklin balls, and first you're gonna put it on that sits bone. You're gonna put it on this bone right here. Okay. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna kind of, once it's on the sits bone, you are going to roll the ball up, and you're just gonna roll the ball up and down your glute. Now it's gonna feel a little uncomfortable, like right now it's already very uncomfortable, but you're just getting started, so just kind of imagine your muscles are melting over those glutes. Again, you might feel some tight spots, so if you're feeling like there's a certain tight spot, you might want to hang out there for a little bit more, just to get those muscles released. So I'm going up and down. Other things you can do are side to side. So I love the side to side effect. This technique goes along the length of the muscle fibers, and you really want to get upper glute, mid glute, and that bottom glute. So you're just kind of playing around, massaging those glutes, and you can move the ball around as you're comfortable. And I tend to only work on one side at a time. So it's kind of a lot of work to keep going between left and right sides. So I'm just right now sticking to the left side. So right now I'm feeling definitely a lot of tension in these glutes. And you want to, you can really support your body with your arms if you have the arm strength. That can also help unload the amount of pressure you're putting on your glutes. But, just kind of decide how much pressure you want and make it individualized for you. Alright, so I did a combination of up and down the glute and side to side, and that was for maybe about like a minute. And I'm just gonna kind of sit here and see how it feels. And it definitely feels more open. So highly recommend using this tool. Again, that was just a very brief video and just demonstration to help you get started with how to use the Franklin ball. And if you're one of my clients watching this video, I hope that was a good recap of what we went over during the session. So let me know what you think of this exercise in the comments. Again, I will link the orange Franklin balls Amazon link below so you can also get them.